Our next question actually comes from our doctor's mailbox. Where is the mailman here? Ooh. Let's see what we have here. The letter reads, I know that your sense of smell is connected to your taste buds. So if I plug my nose while I eat, will it help me to eat less and lose weight? And we're actually joined by Jessica, who admits you've wondered whether or not this technique might work, right?
Yeah, actually, I'm really curious. I mean, like, diet food just tastes so disgusting. So, you know, maybe if I, like, close my nose, I'll be able to get it down easier.
Well, Jessica, we're gonna put it to the test. Are you ready?
Yes!
Willing to try this? Okay, so put on these nose plugs.
Okay.
So we're gonna basically take away your sense of smell
Like this?
and sight.
This is a pretty chic looking.
That is
Let me get it over your nose, no cheating.
All right, so can you smell anything?
No.
So taste test number 1. We're not gonna tell you what you're eating,
Okay.
but Dr. Orden, why don't you do the honors with the first taste test for Jessica?
All right, open up, here it comes.
You can take a little bite of it.
Take a bite, not my finger, thank you.
That's really crunchy.
It is crunchy.
It tastes flavorless. I feel like I ate a raw potato.
You did, okay.
Now try this. Ow!
I like that better. It's a little sweeter. But it's still kind of crunchy and watery-ish.
So pretty similar in terms of the texture of the two?
Yeah, same texture, but this one's a little sweeter.
Okay.
It was sweeter, okay. We're not done yet, okay? One more test.
Uh-oh.
All right, open up a little bit.
I think that's... Yeah, it's like bread, right?
Maybe.
It doesn't really have much of a taste, though.
So
well,
not,
and that's one of the things. You know, you have basically lost a lot of what you would normally use to help you decipher what foods are. So here's the comparison. Open up.
I like that.
you like that better. And why is that you like that better?
That tasted sweeter.
Are you noticing, though, that you're forcing your sense of texture to dictate your eating decisions a little bit more?
Yeah, and it actually, the tastes are a lot more similar than I thought.
All right, let's show you what you were eating.
I think we can take your plug off now. I first started with a potato, and then Dr. Travis gave you a cut apple. Mm-hmm. And I think you said that the texture, both very crunchy, similar texture. Mm-hmm. You did pick up on a little more sweetness in the apple.
Yeah, it was very light difference. I mean, it really was like almost the same food, just like a tiny bit sweeter for that one.
And this was a muffin versus a slice of whole grain bread.
Okay.
The reason why you don't ever want to eliminate a sense is that there's actually a tendency, the lower your sense of smell, there's a tendency to actually eat more. People with a nice, strong sense of smell in studies have actually been shown to eat less because they enjoy it more. So they really take it all in and they enjoy what they're eating. When you lose that sense, you're inclined to eat more because you're not focusing on the sensation of eating as much.
And the same thing can be said for the taste. When you're eating sweet, sour, those other things, you're stimulating different parts of the tongue, different areas with different taste buds that are going to tell you whether it's sweet or sour, which is going to dictate, you know, how much food you eat and the type of foods that you eat. If you have a sinus infection, it may affect your eating patterns. And likewise, it's been shown in smokers, we know the effect of nicotine and smoke on the tongue affects the taste buds, that smokers have a tendency to want to salt their food more and possibly take more sugar to get that sensation of sweetness.
Thank you, Jessica.
Thank you. No,
Thanks, Jessica.